I'm doing a dumpling unboxing video. So I am going to get the box. All right, got the dumpling. 3, 2, 1. Oh my God. I got the glitter one. Oh my God. I've been always wanting this one. But bye guys, I'm ending the video. Bye.